that I've been through. I'm missing you like crazy. Oh. Oh, bro, I was literally watching this video earlier. I'm not gonna lie. Just finished it, so I was like, okay, fuck it. We're back on the live stream. We're gonna go back and back test. You feel me? I'm gonna wait for a little bit more people to join, and then we'll get started. What's up, Gibby? What's up, 9 to 5 day trader? What's up, brother? I hate the weed too hard. Whatever. Another beautiful weekend. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I had a great weekend, or had a great Friday, honestly. Had some Crown. She was fire. Yo, what's up? What's up, Virus? What's up, Eggs? Hi, Daddy. That's crazy. Speak my language. Yeah. What is backtesting? Backtesting is previous data that you can trade on. Speak my language. Speak my language. I'm gonna wait for more people to join, and then we're gonna get started. How many funded have you blown so far? Too many. Too many. I've blown a lot of fundeds. 70% win rate. This baby. Yeah. No. Yay. You should try quarterly theory. If it's not complicated, it'll help you win entries. I'm pretty sure quarterly theory is basically just time zone sessions like Asia and just London and all that stuff. I'm pretty sure, isn't it? Speak my language. It's not. Oh, I swear that's what it was. It's like sessions, something like that. What happens after you blow a funded account, but already passed the challenge? Then the account's just gone. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. I feel like I'm getting better though. That's a good thing. I feel like I'm getting better. You trade on election day? Probably not. Probably not. Like you don't, dude. FX replay is way too expensive. No, dude. I teach you how to get FX replay for free on my YouTube channel. Like you don't owe the money they lend you. No, you don't. You don't owe them any money. You only pay the premium price. Which profit am I trading, bro? I'm trading Top Step. Top Step, Top Step. Nothing right, yeah. Free trial method type shit, type shit. You got pay yet? Not yet, not yet. Soon, 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 soon. I know it's a Saturday night, bro, and like not a lot of people are gonna be in here, so that's completely okay. It's just part of the culture type shit. All right. Sometimes we laugh. Let's get started. This is the proof or whatever. Like I said, I just trade a lot better. Like, I just do a lot better when I'm like just on my own. You know, just vibing out. Is NQ going all time highs or not? I have no idea. Honestly, I have no idea. All right, let's get started. So we're just gonna go to like a random day. Do you have a weekly percent target? I do not. I do not. I just trade, honestly. Let's just go February 1st, 2022. Let's get started. I put the little face right now. Alright. Let's get started. I know that they at the crib going crazy down, babe. What they had didn't last, damn, baby. All right, let's run it. Baby. Can you explain and show us your strategy? Yeah, I got you. Give me 1 second. All right. So, let's get started. So, I go on the weekly time chart. I ask myself, where are we at right now and where did we come from? So, it looks like we swapped out this external range liquidity, right? Remember, on the weekly time chart, we go from external to internal, internal to external. So, we came down, we swapped out external here, right? External was swept. So, now I'm looking for internal range liquidity. So, we have a fair value gap right here on the weekly time chart that we could respect. A weekly fair value gap right here that we could come back up and respect, right? But then you want to drop down to the daily. Look at the daily. What is it doing? It's just pushing up to the upside, right? And looking at the 4 hour is completely bullish, right? Completely bullish. So now I can guesstimate that price is most likely going to draw towards this internal range liquidity here, right? Because like lower structure is bullish, right? 4 hours bullish, 1 hour is bullish, etc. Right? So I can predict that. Okay, look, we're probably gonna seek out this weekly fair value gap first and then continue lower, potentially. So just going on this, based off of this, my structure, I should be pretty bullish towards this gap up here. So drop down to the 4 hour. 4 hours bullish. 1 hour. I asked myself, what did London do? Did London tap any higher time frame PD arrays on the 4 hour or the daily fair value gap? No. So I'm expecting this. Since London Tower is already swept, I'm expecting price to rebalance and then potentially go higher prices. So with that being in mind, I only trade 10 a.m. candle and 2 p.m. candle. So we wait for price to do what it wants to do. So let's run it. I wait for price to do whatever it wants to do, then I wait for 10 a.m. So right now we're in this 4 hour fair value gap, right? We're in this 4 hour fair value gap, and I asked myself, do we have any SMT at the lows? No SMT at the lows just yet. Wait. I guess you can consider this as SMT here. So we have SMT at the lows. We're in a higher time for fair value gap. Price opened up and just dumped. So this could be your New York reversal here. So we're going to most likely be looking for longs here. So let's see. And we do have lots of low resistance liquidity up here too. This could be your target here. We have another good target here, the 15-minute gap. So I'm going to wait here. No clean SMT just yet. Nothing just yet. So we ended up coming down, swooping out this low. End up having SMT at these lows. We're in a premium, or we're in a discount right now. Who knows? The drawn liquidity could be lower, but right now we're in a 4 hour gap here. And we're in a discount of this 10 a.m. candle. What up? Okay, so right now we're just chopping. Like I said, look at this candle here. This 10 a.m. candle opened up here, just kind of slowly went down. There's no trade here for me at all. So I will just go to 2 p.m. here. 2 p.m. Nothing really I could have capitalized on. All right, so right here, I asked myself where are we at in price right now. Looks like we came down, swept out more external range liquidity. We got a change of state of delivery on the 15-minute time chart. We're in a 4-hour gap. Now I can say, okay, look, we're most likely going to go up even higher, right? And then I ask myself, do we have any SMT at the lows? No SMT at the lows just yet. Yeah, we just wait here. So not a high probability trading day looks like so far. We're kind of just in this range here still. So we're gonna wait. I'm still looking for longs. Nothing that I want to see just yet. Super choppy range so far. Okay, we do have SMT here. And then ask myself, are we in a higher time for fair value gap? Nothing so far, but we do have these order blocks here that we could be rejecting off of. So right now, I'm just waiting for a market maker buy model or something like this. So right here, now this is a good indication of bullish signs here. Coming down, sweeping out this low. Change state of delivery. So now I could just be like, okay, I'm entering off of this fair value gap right here. I could just enter right here. Subs at this low. And target these gaps up here. All right, let's run it. So this is your protected low. I would like to add if we come down even more. Like I said, I'm looking for price. So right here, market is about to close. Market is about to close. By the way. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and close the charts here because market is about to close here. Yeah, market was about to close here. See, this is PM session. Okay, not the best setup. Not the best setup. The time was 2 p.m. So I chopped. All right, let's just go next day. But that was a terrible fucking trade. Hold up. Maybe I forced like a little bit of a trade right there. All right, let's go again. So like I said, going back on the weekly time chart, where can I say, where can I be, what can I do and be like, okay, look, it looks like we're rejecting off of this fair value gap still right now, right? But the internal structure is now bearish. Or the bearish, we have bearish order flow right now, right? Looking at the daily time chart, where it looks like we're coming down to this daily fair value gap, but it all depends on what London did, right? Looks like London tapped this 4-hour imbalance. This should be your protected high. Now, this should be your protected high, right? We should not come back up here. And then we're most likely going to retrace back into equilibrium of this range and go on the 4-hour work. Where in here is most likely where are we most likely going to bounce? Potentially this 4-hour gap inside of this discounted area or even this low. So I'm looking for shorts right now. So let's go ahead and run it. Looking for shorts right here. Judas swing up to the upside. Okay, so 10 a.m. opens up here, right? 10 a.m. opens up here. I'm looking for shorts. We have SMT at these highs. Come up, sweeping out this high. We have fair value gap up here. Now, we wait. Wait for a potential setup here. Like I said, this should be your protected high. And if we come up here and take out this high, then we're probably going to see higher prices. But it looks like we are coming up, sweeping out this high inside the 15-minute gap. SMT. So right here, we just wait for a potential setup. If we get a change of state of delivery, this would be nice. There we go. We got SMT, change of state of delivery. Now, shorts here don't look bad. Shorts here do not look bad. I'm going to take a stab short here. Stops at this high. I'm obviously looking to target lower prices. This is a potential take profit area right here. This fair value gap right here. So, let's go and place the order. All right, I'm going to add one more contract here. I would add at this area. Okay, so here we go. So, we're in 2 contracts right now. And we're coming into this discounted PD array. We can either look to take profits, which is what I want to do. I'm going to partial here. Move stops to break even. Look right here. I got in early. I added because the draw liquidity was still lower. I knew the draw liquidity was lower and higher time frame overall wise. I could look to take partials out. I could take one at low of day. If we can get it. Okay, so we get stopped at a break even, right? We ran through this gap, but we got stopped at a break even. Let's see what price ends up doing. Price ends up dumping towards our fucking take profit area. That's crazy. This was a great short. This was a great short. I'm not mad about this short at all. I took advantage while I can. I added when possible. This was a beautiful short. Maybe I could have just moved my stops to like this high or something like that. Tough day. Like I said, the narrative was bearish. I know, bro, it isn't unprofitable. Definitely faked it. I'm unprofitable as fuck, bro. How long will that do? This trade took 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. It took 15 minutes. 15 minutes for this trade. If I would just held it to this low. But let's go ahead and go again. Next day. Why do you sit on lower time for 9% and 10% on higher time frame? Because I already know where the draw on liquidity is. So now I'm just looking for an entry. What's the point of adding content instead of just entering with risk you plans on using? So I'm obviously the reason why I only add one contract and then add because it's an early entry, right? Realistically, it's an early entry most of the time. And then I add more as I start to get conviction towards that. So therefore I add more. So like I said, go back on the weekly time chart. What are we doing? We're right now we're in internal range liquidity, right? We're in internal range liquidity. So I'm expecting external range liquidity now, right? But for me to confirm that, I go in the lower time frame, like the daily, 4-hour, etc. Looking at this 4-hour, we're bearish as fuck, right? We're bearish. We broke structure to the downside. We have a bearish breaker here. Like we're rejecting off this unicorn model right here, right? So now we're bearish, right? So going on the day, going on the hourly, what did London do? It looks like London didn't really do much. I mean, London didn't tap any higher time for fair value gaps. We were already sitting in this fair value gap anyway, so I don't really count it. But like I said, we're coming down to this discounted area range here, right? We're in discount. We're rejecting off equilibrium of this range. We ended up sweeping out this low on the 4-hour time chart. So now, and we do have SMT at these lows. So I can be like, okay, look, we're still in this daily fair value gap. We're in this volume imbalance right here also. We swept out liquidity. We have SMT at these lows. I can be like, okay, we're most likely going to see higher prices because of these confluences here, right? So this high is most likely going to get ran through, and these bearish PD rays are most likely going to get ran through, right? So hold up, hello, hello. No, I'm busy right now. All right, so now I'm looking for longs. So I'm not trading until 10 a.m. by the way. So I don't really care what happens. So 10 a.m. is about to open right here. 10 a.m. is about to open up right here. 10 a.m. opens up, right? So now I'm looking for a model. I'm looking for my entry model, okay? So now we wait. Do we have any SMT on the lower time frame wise? No, we don't. So I'm just gonna wait still. Okay, so we end up having SMT here. We're also in these 2-minute fair value gaps, etc. Right? We're in this 2-minute fair value gap. So for this SMT to hold, I would like to see this inversion fair value gap get ran through to the upside, right? So I'm gonna wait it out. So we ran through this fair value gap, right? So now I'm anticipating, okay, we're gonna long here. Stops at this low. This should be your protected low. We should not come back to this low if we hold this, right? So now I'm realistically looking to target London high, but obviously I'm going to take partials along the way. So what do we have that's going to be in our way? What I can do is draw equilibrium. We have a fair value gap here in here. So what I can do is just do this. Target this fair value gap up here. Or move my stops to break even or something like that. But we have relative equal highs. Or not relative equal highs, just highs up here. Fair value gap up here. Marking out all the PD rays that can potentially push us down, right? So let's go ahead and run it. So we end up coming up here, right? Just beautiful push up to this fair value gap. I'm gonna wait here. I'm pretty confident that the drawn liquidity is so much higher. I'm gonna just leave it the same right now, and then look to add as we come back down. Unless we just run up to these highs. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and add one more position. Same stop loss, same swing low. I added. So added. That's not fun. Okay, so we get stopped out, right? Stopped out. That's completely fine. Let's see what happens. Let's see what ends up happening. Okay, so we end up pushing up even higher still, right? So like I said, I'm going to keep waiting. Like I said, these are my points of draw on liquidity. London high is the draw, right? London high is the draw on liquidity. So therefore, I'm still looking for higher prices at this 2 p.m. candle. So drop down. See where we're at right now. See where we're at. Let's play a few candles out. See what happens here. We have a 15-minute fair value gap right here. We have these propulsion blocks that could hold us up. Chop. See what happens here. I'm bullish, right? So we wait. We end up having SMT at these lows. We swept out some sort of liquidity. We have this is now your whole order block area, right? So we wait. Okay, we can enter off this inversion right here. Since we have SMT at these lows, and then my target is London high still. But I'm looking to take partials potentially at this high. Or this black line that I marked out. So, we just swapped out these highs, right? We just swapped out these highs. But I'm realistically looking for these highs up here in this fair value gap. So I can either take partials here, or just kind of move up my stop loss, honestly. Let's see. We do have SMTs here. I'll go ahead and move my stops to break even. Or this, I'm going to move it to this swing low. To this swing low right here. Okay, so beautiful. Okay, there we go. My take profit would have hit. Boom. This high right here to my left. Take partials. And then now break even. We're tapping this fair value gap right now. My last contract is at London high, right? So we end up not tapping it yet. Market is about to close in 10 minutes here. Yeah, so stop to break even. So London high was my draw. We don't end up getting it, but that's okay. We end up just pushing down last fucking markets, right? So that's okay. Let's go ahead, go to a different day. Like I said, I don't think the trade that I took here wasn't bad. Maybe I could have waited a little bit. Maybe I could have waited a little bit longer. But at the same time, we were already balanced. I didn't think we needed to come back lower. But it's okay. Wasn't bad. Wait, you keep back this. But you keep back this. You don't think you can be profitable? I can be. I know I can. What's up, Gene? Don't give up. Of course, brother. I never give up. How do you see this SSP? I don't see ES. ES is on the right side. Dre trades. You want to give me a cut or what? Backtesting is just to like see if my strategy works is all. I don't lose. Short right now. No, we're gonna wait. The big candlestick on the side is my power of 3. Dream stream win. Soon. All right. JR trades. Suck my dick. Next day. All right. Going on the weekly time chart. We're in inefficiency. We're looking for external, right? Going on the 4-hour time chart. What does it look like? It looks like accumulation so far, right? Looks like accumulation so far. I know this. I know my strategy works. That was just an unfortunate trade, bro. Yo, okay, that one girl says she liked you. Which girl? Of course, bro. Person coming from someone who just learned your model works. Exactly. I have no who JR Trades is, bro. I have no idea who the fuck that guy is. I don't watch Dodgy. No, fuck that. Respect to Dodgy, but his strategy is just not for me. All right, going to the 4-hour time chart. What are we doing? Put not financial advice. Oh yeah, I think I need to put that shit on real quick. It's not my life. You listen to K-pop? Fuck now. All right, looks like the structure right now is bearish, right? Structure here on the 4 hours bearish, daily's bullish, but now dropping the lower time frame, what does it look like it's doing? Chopping. Right now it is chopping. Okay. Cigarettes, cancer in the chest like cardiac arrest. I love her, trying to spend my efforts, trying to keep it together. But we do have SMT at these lows. It's a great indication. And we technically ran through, or we're still in this gap. We're consolidating in this gap. So we wait. So I was gonna let it play it out. Okay, so 10 a.m. opens up here, right? So what do we end up doing? We end up coming up, tricking the retail traders, right? That we're gonna be bullish, but most likely we're probably gonna see shorts. TBH. She's on my mind always. Bitch, I find my way to the bottom of the bottle. Don't get me started. I think about her all day. She's on my mind. Oh, we're this low is most likely gonna get taken out. So I'm looking for shorts. I'm in the post in the forest, PA. Smoke cigarettes, cancer in the chest like cardiac arrest. All right, looking for shorts. 10 a.m. open up here. The draw liquidity is lower. Is London low? I don't want to be lonely no more. She picks my heart off the floor, or I'm addicted, yeah, need me some more, or lonely no more, or I don't want to be lonely no more. She picks my heart off on the floor, or I'm addicted, yeah, I need me some more, or don't want me lonely no more, or I 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 don't want me lonely no more, or there we go. Take partial hit. Love day. Partial. Stop loss to break even. Like I said, my target's London low, by the way. Yeah, you guys can suck my fucking dick, okay? Sheesh. This is your protected stop loss. As far as it goes, is this the end of the road? Yeah, it's the end of the road. 1 out of 10. Dre trades, bro. Suck my dick too. Bro, don't even. I don't know the song. 71% rate. 71% rate, okay? So you guys can hop off my dick, okay? Yeah. And plus my R is like crazy too. 7 trades. Well, that's because I just started, okay? That's because I started. Mark Douglas. Yeah, nah. You're right. I need more trades. Right. You're right. I need more trades. That's why we're gonna keep going. Cause yesterday, bro, 20 trades. Bet. I'll show you this. I think it's this one. I'm not sure. It's not this one. I don't think. Yeah, right here. It is this one. 20 trades. 70% win rate. Like, come on. Like, come on. Like, come on. Like, come on. Chat. Chat. Does that make you happy? Does that make you happy? Does that make you happy? Hidden Ninja 101? Does that make you happy? Because, bro, listen, like, backtesting is so draining, bro. It's so draining. Dude, I don't know if it was just me, but, like, last week was just tough, bro. For me, at least. But it was so... Everything is tradable. Everything is tradable, okay? Gotta be able to repeat it. Absolutely. Thank you, JMTZ Trading, for the rose, man. Thank you. No, dude, last week was just tough as fuck, bro. I just couldn't, like Friday, I banked, but, like, still. I don't need a 100% win rate. You're right. I just need, like, a 60 to 70% win rate. All right, let's go again. I gotta shut the haters up, bro. No cap. This is the end of the road. This is the end of the road. Yeah. All right, let's go again. So, hold up, and then Mark Douglas. Yeah, I listened to a little bit of Mark Douglas. But here's this. You guys want to see this? Hold up. Last night I had a fucking blast. Low key. Where's the fucking... Oh. Can I go in my story, my own story? Oh, hold up. Hold up. I gotta show you guys really quick. Like, last night, had a blast. You feel me, Shotty? Like, Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Wait, can I, like...
Come on, baby! Let's go! Yeah!
Dude, I was just in the vibe, bro.
There you go, baby! Yeah!
You gotta wait.
Fuck bitches, get rich! I'm a stock market king! I'm called the NASDAQ killer! I will manipulate you!
Yeah, I will manipulate you, bruh. I will manipulate you, bruh. I will manipulate you, bruh. Alright, let's get started. Alright, weekly draws lower, okay? I'm the NASDAQ killer. Okay? Bro, it was like a long thing, bro. I just needed a fucking mental break. NASDAQ killer. Alright. Let's get locked in. Weekly is the draw. We went from internal to external. I'm looking for shorts, right? Looking at the daily, bearish order flow so far. 4 hour, bearish. But it's all depending on this. So, looking at the hourly, look at London so far. Did London tap a 4 hour higher PD array? No. So, I'm anticipating this to be fake high of day. I'm anticipating this to be fake high of day, right? So now this could be my draw for longs. Yes, the weekly is lower. But if we want to see a sell-off here, we need to have a fake high of day, right? So I'm expecting this to be the draw on liquidity. And for me to validate that, do we have any SMT? Yes, we do. We have SMT at these lows. So now I wait for 10 a.m. I'm not looking to trade shit until 10 a.m. So letting this play out. So we ended up going lower here, right? So that's even better for me. I'm looking for longs to target London high. So let me see. Okay, we ended up having SMT here. Oh, this is even better. This is even better, chat. SMT. Longs here don't look terrible, but this is super small validation for me. So what I'm going to do is wait. Big displacement up. See how this fair value gap respects it. At least respecting so far. Now I want to see this fair value gap kind of get inverse because this is a pretty major one. So we're waiting. So we inverse this gap, right? So now this is even better for longs, right? This is your protected low. We should not come back down to this low, and we're most likely going to seek higher prices. And I'm looking to target London high, right? So these highs are my drawn liquidity, and plus London high. So we can go ahead and play this out. So beautiful. Now said, since the draw on liquidity has not been hit yet, I can go ahead and add one more position inside this fair value gap, right? Because the draw on liquidity isn't hit yet. I'm not too worried just yet. See, we just came back up, ran through these bearish PD arrays here. I can go ahead and add another one if I wanted to. So this is your protected low, by the way. So now I could be like, okay, look, I can take partials at high of day here. So I'm going ahead and take a partial. Boom. Boom. Partial. Partial. Stop loss to break even. So now it's a break even trade. My drawn liquidity is London high, right? Let's see if we get it. There we fucking go. Like I said, when you know you're protected, like I said, the reason why my stop loss wasn't these lows was because this is your main SMT, your main protected low, okay? Yes, I know the drawdown is high, but at the same time, this price can, if I'm super confident in the draw and liquidity, I'm able to add, okay? See how we did come back down to this low? Because this was your protected low, and the draw and liquidity was higher before us going low, okay? Does that make you guys happy? Jacob is a fucking goat. He taught me everything I need to know. It was just literally just like simple things, bro. Yes, stop loss is high, but like I said, you always enter with one contract and then you add if the draw liquidity has not been hit. Okay? Jacob is my friend that lives like 10 minutes away from me. Like I said, there's just simple mistakes that I could improve on, okay? Like I said, this was a 100-point move. Like I said, I was confident in taking I wasn't confident in taking this long position just yet. Maybe my fill could have been better, but this fair value gap was kind of scaring me. So I was like, okay, look, I'm gonna enter off this fair value gap. Do you use the macros? I don't use macros. Thank you, JMTZ Trading, for the rose, and thank you, Trade Your Mind, for the heart me, brother. Thank you. Doo-doo. Damn. I wish I had a friend that is interested in trading like I am. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's tough, bro. It's hard to find people like that, bro. I actually met him through TikTok. That's the thing, which is crazy. All right, so I would have been done for the day. Next day. All right, so going on the weekly time chart, where are we at right now? We're still in this inefficiency. This is still my draw on liquidity. But going on the daily, looks like we're rejecting off of this fair value gap right here, right? Looks like we're rejecting off these fair value gap on the daily time chart. 4 hour looks bullish, right? 4 hour looks bullish. But it doesn't matter, right? What did London do? London didn't do shit. So, this is your fake. I want to see lower prices here. Because now we're in this premium 4 hour gap. Let me see. Premium. So now, looking at the hourly, London is fake. This low right here is fake. Didn't tap any higher time frame fair value gaps. So, it's fake. That's my draw on liquidity. So now, I don't trade shit until 10 a.m. Just wait for 10 a.m. There we go. So we technically inverse this gap too. Candle closure below it. Candle closure below this fair value gap too. Inside of this 4 hour gap. Right? We completely filled it. So now 10 a.m. opened up here. What am I looking for? Looking for some sort of, we have the 5-minute fair value gap right here, by the way. 5-minute fair value gap, which we could come back up and tap. Okay, so we're tapping this 5-minute gap. See what happens. We inversed it, but I'm not too confident just yet. Wait. Okay, so I'm expecting this to be a projected high. We should have come back up to this high at all. So right now, I'm just going to wait here. ES ended up coming back up to this high, sweeping it out. Wait, no, it didn't. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. I'm going to wait here still. Okay, it looks like I could have just missed the move here. All right, so right here. Like I said, London lows, I missed the move up here, and that's okay. It's just something I did not like really like to see. We're probably going to come down to London low. See how this plays out. I'm going to wait here. This, okay, like I said, we have a fair value gap right here that we could enter off of right here. But right now, I just don't like it so far. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Okay, now we have SMT at these highs. So we end up sweeping out this. We're gonna wait here. Okay, I'll enter here. Stop loss is at this high. And like I said, my target's London low. But I wouldn't be opposed to taking partials at this low or even lower prices. So we wait. I could look to add another one here, which I'm probably going to do here. If we get stopped out here, then we get stopped out. Okay, so we get stopped out. Looks like the draw liquidity could be higher, but we just sit back and wait. Yeah, so right here, I'm not trading shit right here because the 10 a.m. candle has passed. Or I'm going to go to 2 p.m. here. All right, so I asked myself, why are we here? We just ran through this gap. Where are we most likely going to reach? Looks like we're just trending up slowly. So I'm going to stick with that trend and look to target these as my draw liquidity here. So now, looks like we rejected off of this 15-minute gap. So I'm going to wait. So we just straight push up. No, nothing really, if I'm being completely honest. For me, we're coming back down to this 5-minute gap. Nothing so far that I like. Nothing really clean, bro. These SMTs are not clean at all. I don't really like it. Yeah, nothing clean. Yeah, like I said, I wouldn't have traded here. There's literally nothing clean here for me. Yeah, no, I didn't realize it was a trend until obviously this ended up losing, right? So, what could I have done better here? What could I have done better here? Um, we were in this 4-hour gap at the time. London, I expected this to be fake high of day. Or I expected this to be a fake low of day because it didn't tap any higher time from PD arrays. It didn't do much, right? It didn't tap any higher time from PD arrays. So I expected that to be a fake low of day. Boom, push up to the upside. It could have been your New York reversal, but no, we didn't have that. So I was looking for shorts. I guess this could have been your best short opportunity here that I was looking at earlier to take out low of day, but we didn't get that, and that's okay. Took the trade here. I feel like this was a decent trade. We ended up kind of swooping up this high. SMT. Big fair value gap right here. Inverse both of these gaps. And that's okay. We took a small loss, took an L, and that's okay. You sure no buy side taken? Wait. Don't short after the low was broken and moved. You shorted with no buy side. We had like initial buy, like this is a small buy side right here that I just marked out. Initial buy side taken. How's the account challenge go? It's going okay. I'm up like 400 bucks on it though. Only. So is this your own account? So do you have to pay every month yourself? Not if you pass it. That's not a real buy side. Okay, I got you. I got you. Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Ain't I when you... FX replay. I have a YouTube video on how to get it for free. Later when you need my love, but I know when the hotline bling. All right, so like I said, it's still on the weekly time chart. We're still in this inefficiency, and we go from IRL to ERL. So I'm looking for this draw liquidity to be lower. Going on the daily time chart. Yeah, and I don't plan on trading until Wednesday, bro. Let me get on this cut. What do you mean? That draw ain't gonna get taken? Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation on now more. Got suggestion pain up on the dance floor. I'm probably gonna end this live stream soon, anyways. Cell phone, like, bro, like, I just been like so down recently, so it's like I'm just trying to chill out for a little bit. I know in my alarm blank. Q, can you teach me how to find daily bias? Genuinely tripping. I can show you how I find it, but it might not be like the correct way. Yeah, I had too many beers yesterday, bro. I had like so much Crown, bro. Dude, Crown makes you throw up so much, bro. I was literally throwing up for 5 minutes, and I had to walk home, right? Oh, like the reason why I had to walk home was because the house that I did it at, they were my cousin's house, right? I live like a house down from my cousin's house. So I had to walk home and I was tripping, bro. I was tripping. I literally walked out of the house and then I was like, where the fuck's my phone? I had to go back. It was just bad, bro. It was just bad. Later when you need my love. Alright, so inefficiency, external draw. Where we at? Looking at the 4-hour time chart. This is a Thursday too, so I'm expecting an expansion. Alright, so all I do is one day I asked myself, looks like we got a big bearish candle here, right? So I asked myself, go on the hourly time chart, did London do anything? So daily objectives have already been taken out, right? So right now I'm kind of looking for longs, and the reason why I say that is because the draw on London has already been taken out, high and low. Yeah, you just knew yourself. Right now you're someone else. And plus we did have a CPI here, and then just going from here to here, right? We're in equilibrium of this range, right? And then I asked myself, where can we bounce? We could potentially come down lower to this 4-hour gap and then push up because we don't have any higher time for PD arrays. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. opens up right here, and we get a nice push up to the upside, right? We get a nice push up to the upside. It looks like we rejected off of this 4-hour PD array. And then I asked myself, do we have any SMTs? Not that I see so far. I'm like kind of tripping right now. Okay, we don't have any SMT at the lows. But we wait. We wait here. We wait here. I'm expecting this high or these highs up here. Like I said, this doesn't look so high anyways. So I'm just waiting. Bad in my bag now. What the fuck is that sound? The fucking bag sound. Yeah, now. Alright, we're gonna take a long position here. SMT at these lows. They boogie with a hoodie. They is like the focus. All right, I'm looking to take a position off of that high. There we go. Beautiful trade. Stop loss or take profit hit. And then I'm looking for these high, yeah. Break even. Okay, that's okay. 1 to 6. Still 50 points. It's okay. Oh. Beautiful. Bro, farty. Yeah, bro. Dude. It's because the protein got me, bro. Protein got me. What am I supposed to do? Hold that shit in? The fuck? Asian just started trading. He's too good. Oh, is your win rate really 60-70%? Now the beer's got you. Dude, the thing is, I drink so much, bro. I was so... Oh, fuck. I did not mean to duplicate this shit! Alright. What is the win per... 69%. It's realistically 70%. Come on, let's be fucking for real. Like, I'm getting better. And that's okay. Like I said, 69%. I'll stick with 69%. Like I said, the strategy works, okay? The strategy works. I think the reason why I was just, like, losing on stream was because, like, it was just tough. I didn't know what I knew now. And that's okay. So... Emotions, yes, that could be it, too. She good at it. Says she never made love, but she good at it. She make it feel good when I look at it. Go back on the week and use the same strategy. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Like I said, my average win rate is probably like 70%, bro. Realistically, 60 to 70%. Da 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 da. Got a new bands that it promoting. All my fans that let me doing. Da 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 da. But to be honest with you guys, I plan on moving out by the end of this year, out of my parents' house. I plan on moving out. Why is my trading view not opening up? Okay, I'm opening up my trading view. I plan on moving out by the end of this year, and yeah, because like if I'm being completely honest, my parents and I we're not my it's me and my dad, but we're kind of like in a not argument, but like just like in a predicament. You know what I mean? So I want to move out by the end of this year. Yeah, so that's the plan. That's why like I'm really trying to lock in because my dad and I we kind of been on like off pages a little bit, and that's something I need to obviously fix. But yeah, I gotta like just lock in this year or by the end of this year, just move out. Now my parents are forcing me out now. They're well, my dad is kind of like we like I almost cried last night, to be honest with you. Well, I teared up a little bit. I teared up a little bit, just a little bit. And what is it? Obviously, I love it to death. You know what I mean? It's just something I gotta like do on my own. You know what I mean? Like I teared up just a little bit because like we were kind of in a heated argument, and I said some things that I shouldn't have said. He said some things he shouldn't have said. I apologize. He didn't, and that's okay. And that's just how it is, bro. So I have to make it by the end of this year, and I will make it by the end of this year. Like, you know, it's just a matter of I need to make it type shit. So, just looking at like last week's chart. Let's get rid of these drawings here. Everyone's journey, but only traders understand these problems. Exactly, 100%. Like it was some dumb shit, but it's stupid. I have to fucking make it at this point. All right, so last week I was pretty bearish, to be honest with you guys. I was pretty bearish because we were still in this weekly fair value gap, but at the time it looked like we were above this high, right? So we were still okay. So we were in this weekly fair value gap, and plus we had just swapped out external. So I was realistically looking for internal range liquidity. So I was pretty much short biased on the week. But let's give Friday for example. Let's just do Friday for example. Friday was a pretty different day for sure. Just going on Friday. This is like my last thing that I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna dip. So as you can tell, London didn't do much, right? London didn't do much. Wait, did it? It tapped into this imbalance here, but we ran through this, right? We ended up running through this pre-New York anyway, so it kind of invalidated this London draw or whatever, because we already saw that London high and London low. So now I'm looking for longs, and the reason why I was looking for longs is because we were also in. Oh yeah, okay. Now I'm looking for longs. Fuck it, I'm looking for longs. Okay, just for you guys to know. Oh wait, is this? Oh, what the fuck? Hold up. Oh fuck, I fucked up so much. My bad. Hold up. Ever since I was a kid, I've been in G. All right, so right here. Okay. This was Friday. This was Fridays. This was Fridays. Oh fuck! I forgot to talk. I forgot to talk about the fucking. Oh, what is this? I fucking forgot to talk about how I found my bias. Oh, I fucking forgot. I fucking forgot. Okay, my bad. Okay, someone said. Someone asked you how to find my bias. This is how I found my bias. I completely fucking forgot, to be honest with you. Hold up. Hello. What's up? I'm busy right now. Uh, okay, well, give me a second. I know. Give me like 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm doing something right now. Give me like 20 minutes. Yeah, you know, side bitch number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 asking me to come over, and I'm like, yeah, give me 20 minutes, shorty. All right, next. Okay, so this is how I find my bias. So how I find my bias is I ask myself on the weekly time chart, where are we at right now, and where did we come from? It looks like we came from this external, right? Looks like we came from this external range of liquidity. So now I'm looking for fair value gaps, right? We go from external to internal. So right now we're in this internal range right here, right? We're in this fair value gap, and we came from external. So now I'm like, okay, look, we could come from. We're most likely going to go to internal, which we are right now. So now I'm like, okay, I'm bearish, but I need to see what the lower time frames is telling me. Looking at this daily time chart, we're pretty bullish, right? And looking at this 4-hour time chart, we're pretty bullish. So this fair value gap is most likely going to get invalidated, right? So now I go on the 4-hour time chart, we're bullish. 1 hour is here, right? So I asked myself, what did London and Asia do? Or what did London do, right? It looks like London didn't do much, right? It looks like London didn't do much. So I'm bullish, right? I'm expecting this to be fake hype day. And since, yes, I'm bullish, right? I'm bullish. Let's just do this one trade really quick. Fuck, I got a hairpin dip. So I'm bullish bias going into the day because of the weekly profile, or not the weekly profile, the daily profile, right? Wait, didn't we do this trade already? I swear we did. Yeah, fuck it. Let's just go ahead. So 10 a.m. opened up here. The weekly draw is higher, right, for me. We don't really have any clean SMT, so I'm not looking to trade right now. You only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I say that I am better now, better now. Alright, so now we have clean SMT here. Or, not yet. No SMT. We have SMT here, but at the same time, we don't have any confirmations for longs just yet. Then look in your eyes. Hold up. We did get a change of state of delivery here. So I'm just going to go ahead and give longs here a try. So I was at the slow. Wait, actually, no, I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait. And I get in the shit out of my head. You probably think that you are better now. Better now. Oh, yeah. This was just a bad trading day right here. Literally nothing for me. No, I never meant to let you down. Let you down. Would have gave you anything. Yeah, this was just bad trading day. Looks like the draw's lower. But fuck that. I'm done for the day. But, this is something I could have done. Looks like London and Asia high was taken. London high and London low was taken out. So, where are we at right now? Just play it out. So, like I said, I don't touch shit until 10 a.m., by the way. Cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down. Let you down, would've gave you anything. Would've gave you everything. So 10 a.m. opens up here, right? 10 a.m. opens up here. And I'm bullish bias, right? I gave you everything. Whoa, promise. I swear to you I'll be okay. You're only the love of my life. Love of my life. Let's just go in here. Around, you know. Oh my god. I'm just gonna call it, bro. Fuck this. This is just too much work. This is too much work. I can't do this. I'm too stressed out right now. Alright, fuck it. I'm just gonna call it a day, guys. My bad. I took 2 W's though on Friday. I took 2 W's on Friday though. But like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a day here. Oh, what did I take? Okay, I'll show you guys what I took. I hate doing replay on TradingView. It's just so much work, honestly. I ended up taking this long position here on Friday. I got filled like right here. My stops was here at the time. And then I ended up targeting this high. I had 4 contracts in this trade. And then I took this small W here. It was oh, it's here. I think I got entered here. Or no, I think I entered over here. Yeah, I think I entered over here somewhere. And then like stops was like here at the time, and then I targeted this high. I took 2 trades Monday or Friday, and I took W's. But like I said, I'll have to go. But yeah. Other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, we're at a 60 to 70% win rate. But obviously there's things I can fix. At EMA. I can't. EMA is just like so much work. But like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the live stream. I'll give EMA a look, but as of right now, I'm not really too interested in EMAs. But other than that, guys, I will catch you guys all tomorrow or fucking Monday. Or I don't know, Wednesday. I don't know. We'll see.